Today we're going to do a strongman lift. It's the car deadlift. But of course, if you're training, especially in an indoor facility, you're not going to be able to pull a car in and put the apparatus on the floor. So we need to figure out a different way of training this exercise. For today's version, we're actually going to use a landmine that we've hooked this special apparatus to it that basically simulates what the movement would look like. And it looks basically like a trap bar deadlift type of a movement. So if you don't have any of these pieces of equipment, you could always at least start with the trap bar. So what we're going to do is ask our volunteer to be in the proper position here. We're looking for the line of the hand placement in the middle of these handles to be in alignment with the mid part of your foot, basically where your shoelaces are is the easy cue to look to see if you're in the right spot. Then we're going to basically set up in a deadlift type of a position, but remembering in this particular motion, it's not a straight up and down pattern as it would be in a trap bar deadlift, but rather the apparatus will move up back slightly during the mechanical range of motion. So we'll go ahead and grab the handles here to see our alignment. Because these hands are in perfect placement, the middle of his foot, and you can see when he stands up, gets in his deadlift position, everything's nice and tight, pulls up, and he's going to pull all the way through, up nice and straight and tall. His whole entire upper body is full of air, so it's a good, straight, solid, tight position. Hands are right under his shoulders, right by his hips, right over the line of force down into his foot, and we'll ask him to slowly lower the bar back down under control. Make sure he resets that nice position. Then we're going to ask him to come back up again. I'm going to move around the back to check from here as he moves up to see how his position actually looks as he raises up. You can always tell different things when you're looking from different positions, so it's important to look at the exercise from different places. So we're going to ask him to do a couple more. Luckily, maybe next time I'll stand on it for him, but for now we'll just go right there. So once you get the mechanics of an exercise down properly, then you can load it. This is just enough weight.